Hello everyone. Today we will learn what is IP address in Salesforce and how you can secure your system. A Salesforce IP address is a unique numerical label assigned to Salesforce server that help in communication over the internet. These IP addresses are important for security integration and networks connectivity when accessing Salesforce services. Why are Salesforce IP address important? Because of security, to ensure your only trusted users can access login in Salesforce. Integration, whitelisting, compliance. So organization may need to track IPs for compliance and auditing. Type of Salesforce IP address, login IP range. So to restrict or allow user to login in from specific location. API and integration user used for communication between Salesforce and external system. Edge network IPs, we can take an example. So this is like an IP address. You can add by a range. So suppose from 1 to 65, 200, 300 in office IP address you can set, and between that those range person can users can use. If specific person from the home want, then in the start and end date you can add the same IP address. Login IP address in Salesforce, an organization wants to allow user to log in from the company's office network. So like this example, go to setting in the profile. In the profile, you click on the login IP address and add the range. Save the changes so it will work. User can or cannot log in outside the allowed IP address range depending on the security setting in Salesforce. So let's example, standard user without trusted IP access blocked from the login. If their IP address is outside the allowed range, they will see this error. Solution is either admin will add the this IP range of the user using currently, or admin will ask them to use from the allowed network only. Or user with the security token, if a user tries to access Salesforce from the untrusted IP, Salesforce requires a security token. This happens when login in via API integration or tools like data loader. So user can use the security token and login from the login IP range based on the profile. You can go from the setup profile login IP range. User can not login outside the defined IP range. Trusted IP range is OWD. From the setup security network access, user login outside will need MFA. Okay, MFA token will work. So this is strictly corporate access control, and trusted IP range allowing with the some extra security. If MFA is enabled, Salesforce may allow login from the outside the IP range after the user verify their identity. Okay, final things, if login IP range are set in the profile, user cannot login outside the allowed range. So from the profile, user cannot login anywhere. If trusted IP range, then user can login with the MFA. Okay, admin can override restriction. Let's see some examples. So in the Salesforce, go to the setup. In the setup, go to the network access. In the network access, you need to give the range. If there is a range you are providing in the office, then suppose providing the from 1 to 10, can add the finance or marketing team like this. You can add what is the purpose, or any purpose or any description you can add. If there is only one person you are setting up, then you can add the specific one only. 1111 in the start and ended both IP address will be same. So range, you will provide range. If there is no range, only one IP address there, you in the start and ended both will be same. So like this it will work in the OWD. So if like this set, then by MFA person can use from the other than IP address also. But if by profile level, then the person user cannot log in outside the IP address. So let's see the IP address from the profile. Select any profile. If you want to restrict that IP for the specific profile users only, not from OW, not for all, only for that specific profile. Search the profile. In profile IP, click on the new and set the same start date, end date, or provide the range description, and it will work. So like this, in the profile level, users all the profile persons cannot log in without the correct IP address. So hope you understand. Thank you everyone.